So guys, did you recently notice that after you open up your Bybit account, you check on your assets and you check on assets again, and you observed that suddenly your dogs token disappeared, or you did not even see the assets section at all? Do not worry, because in this video I'll be showing you how to get this issue resolved as soon as possible. So the first thing we need to do now is to locate our Bybit application, just like so. Once you open up your Bybit application, you open up your assets. Let's see what is there before we continue. Once you open up your asset, as you can see, it is empty. That is, there is no assets there. You can't find your dogs token. Do not worry, this is what we are going to do next. We go to Play Store, just like so. Let's open up Play Store. You search for your Bybit, that is Bybit, like so. Once you search for your Bybit, as you can see, it's requesting you to update. Click on the update and wait for this application to update itself. Just a couple of times, the application will update. The application is successfully updated. You click on open to open up the application. Let's see what happens once Bybit opens. So we have this section. You click on assets and you click on, as you can see, the assets section has come up again. You click on assets and now your dogs token is live again. So guys, this is how to resolve the issue of your dogs token disappearing from your Bybit account. If you like this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create amazing content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.